Hello, my name is Sara Guadalupe Cugur Diaz, and this is a apple pie recipe. Ingredients: 4 apples, butter, cinnamon, honey, sliced bread, an egg. Process: First step: cut the apples into small pieces. Second step: put the butter in a hot frying pan. Third step: put the apple in the frying pan with the melted butter. Fourth step: put the cinnamon and the honey on the apple and mix. 5th step: flatten a slice of bread and spread egg on it. Put the apple with the cinnamon and honey on the bread and fold in half. 7th step: cut and seal. Then spread more egg on the bread. Sprinkle some cinnamon and sugar on the top and place on the oven. And well, that's it. Thank you for watching.